Hello and welcome to the latest installment of the Future of Mining 365 series. My name is Max Schwertfeger and I'm the Deputy Editor here at Mining Magazine. I am joined today by Jeff Joki, Hardline's Product Experience Manager, to talk about the TeleOp Assist, Hardline's latest innovation for the mining industry. Jeff, thank you very much for joining us today. How are you?
Hi, Max. I'm very good. Thanks. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Great. Okay, so thank you very much for taking time for this interview. And before we get into the discussion of TeleOp Assist, can you first give us an introduction to Hardline as a company?
Sure, I can do that. So Hardline is a global technology company. We've been in the industry for 25 years. And at Hardline, our specialty is remote control. So teleoperation as well of heavy equipment, machinery of all types. Mining really has become our specialty. And what we do is take our customers out of a dangerous environment, put them somewhere safe, and at the same time increase productivity. And something that we're really proud of at Hardline is our specialty is it doesn't matter what make or model, age, type of machine it is. We've had success in being able to put our technology onto a huge variety of machinery.
That's terrific, thank you. So before we get into TeleOp Assist as a whole, can you tell us a little bit more about the TeleOp system generally?
Yeah, so the TeleOp is the basis for all of the system and the add-ons that we do. So it allows for remote control operation of heavy machinery from a control station that might be located on surface or maybe in another remote area, regardless of distance. So it's a comfortable control station. It's the ones that you see behind me right now. So a nice chair, a TV, a touchscreen, joysticks, pedals. And in that basic TeleOp system, the operators are able to control virtually any type of machinery. So it might be a underground loader, an LHD, a drill, a rock breaker, excavator. We've been able to do a very long list of machine types with these control stations. So there's real-time communication, nice visibility. Operators are not exposed to dust, fumes, debris, noise, all of that stuff that comes with the heavy industry. So those are the basics of TeleOp. And with the addition of Assist, it's an add-on, so it comes at an added cost. But what it does is it provides operators with some semi-autonomous function. So it allows them to be in control of the machine, the speed, the throttle, but Assist incorporates some automatic steering for them. So it allows that operator to keep the machine centered. It's doing that for him. So that greatly reduces machine damage, which is a huge plus.
Is it fair to say that you would describe it as a major selling point of TeleOp Assist?
Absolutely, yeah, that's a huge selling point of the TeleOp Assist product. So significantly reduces that machine damage to the machines and to the mine itself. But at the same time, it includes all the other benefits that come with the base TeleOp system. So being able to operate from that remote, safe, comfortable environment, increased work-life balance. What I mean by that is a lot of mines they're located very far away, fly in remote locations, and without having to do that, incorporating remote control, then workers don't have to spend that time traveling. They can spend that with their families. For example, we have one project in northwestern Ontario where operators are controlling the machines underground from the mine that is 500 kilometers away. So just imagine being able to eliminate that commute, how much of your life that gives you back. So that's a huge benefit to the remote operation. Also, with Assist, we've incorporated three-dimensional Lidar technology. So that enables us to have a lot more confidence when we're driving through the level. Rock piles, muck piles move around, they change shape with production. Vent tubing, things overhead get in the way of the scanners. So our system is able to handle all those challenges by incorporating that three-dimensional implementation of the technology.
Perfect, thank you. That sounds like a really fascinating innovation. So could you just go into a little bit more detail as to how a system like this increases production in a mining operation?
Sure. Put simply, it allows you to get to and from a draw point and a dump point faster.
Mhm.
When you're in teleoperation, in full control of the machine yourself, it can be very difficult to steer that machine, especially looking through a camera. It's not
Yep.
easy. And if there's very little clearance on the side of the machine, which mines like to do, they want to fit the biggest machine they can in their drift, it can be a real challenge. So adding the assist, the automatic steering, you can get from point A to point B much quicker than had you been in control of the machine yourself.
So just on that as well, what other features does TeleOp Assist have that a regular TeleOp would not?
So the basic teleop will permit you to run a loader or a piece of equipment over a wireless network anywhere in an underground mine, but it doesn't give you any autonomous features. So the operators are tramming, essentially, they're in full control of the machine by themselves with no assistance. With the assist feature, it adds that first level of automation, automatic steering. So while it still allows the operator to be in control of the machine as he wishes, we're not taking that away from operators. They don't like that. Leave them in control, but give them that extra little bit of confidence by handling the steering for them, keep the machine off the walls.
Terrific, thank you. So what preparation is required, do you think, to integrate this type of system into a conventional mining operation?
So the first step is installing the basic teleop system. So putting the basic components for remote on the machine itself and some basic servers that are needed to get that communication going. We can build off the mine's existing network if they wish to use it, or we can bring in our own network that we supply as well. We call it our backbone network. We can operate off that even more efficiently. So then when you bring in the assist feature, then it adds a few extra components are needed, an auto server to handle the communication from those sensors, and some extra hardware on the machine, like the Lidar sensors themselves need to be installed. Important to note, what's not required for the installation, which is a huge plus, is a 3D scan, a mapping of the level that is not needed to be able to run assist.
It's interesting you say that. So with all that in mind, how long would the installation process for a field tech take in regard to TeleOp Assist?
So it can vary. We find it depends on the machine itself, can play a factor. But typically it's about 2 shifts to be able to put the teleop system on, and then to add the auto or assist and commission that, you're looking at another shift or 2.
But where is TeleOp Assist currently installed, and what would you say the sort of main feedback from customers has been so far?
So far we've had success launching our TeleOp Assist in mines in Canada, in Chile, in Australia as well. And so far the feedback has been very positive. We've been collaborating quite well with those sites. In fact, one project, they're already looking to expand their fleet and include more teleop systems. So far so good. It's been running great. The collaboration has been good, and we're very proud of our product.
As it should be. Terrific. So finally, where can people find out more information about TeleOp products?
By all means, please visit our website, hard-line.com. There's all kinds of information about a variety of our product stuff I didn't even talk about today. Videos too that explain it even better than I was able to explain it to you today. You can really see it in action. So please visit our website. You'll see our contact information there as well.
Terrific. Thank you, Jeff. Well, I have to say, TeleOp certainly sounds like a terrific innovation, and one that will have a huge impact on the mining industry in the coming years. I'm sorry to say that's all we have time for today. I hope you've all enjoyed today's Future of Mining 365 installment, and we very much look forward to welcoming you to the next one. Jeff, thank you very much again for your time.
Thank you, Max. Appreciate it.